Question 1. The temples known as the seven pagodas had been built by the A. Pallavas, B. Cholas, C. Hoysalas, D. Chalukyas. Answer: A. Pallavas. Question 2. The most commonly used coin during the Mauryan period was A. Karashopana, B. Nishka, C. Suvarna, D. Kakini. Answer: A. Karashopana. Question 3. The Modi script had been employed in the documents of the A. Hoysalas, B. Zamorans, C. Marathas, D. Vodyaras. Answer: C. Marathas. Question 4. In which script were the Ashokan inscription were written in northwest frontier province? A. Prakrit, B. Brahmi, C. Sanskrit, D. Kharoshti. Answer: D. Kharoshti. Question 5. The lowest unit of Chola administration was the A. Kotam, B. Mandalam, C. Kuram, D. Valanadu. Answer: C. Kuram. Question 6. Madurai had been the capital of the A. Cholas, B. Pallavas, C. Rashtrakuta, D. Pandyas. Answer: D. Pandyas. Question 7. Which one of the following ports handled the North Indian trade during the Gupta period? A. Kalyan, B. Cambay, C. Tamralipti, D. Broach. Answer: C. Tamralipti. Question 8. What is the name of the preaching mudra of gesture, in which the Buddha is depicted delivering his first sermon, in the Gandhara sculptures? A. Abhay, B. Dharmachakra, C. Dhyan, D. Bhumaspasha. Answer: C. Dhyan. Question 9. What was the original name of Euthydemia? A. Gondhara, B. Sakala, C. Kapasa, D. Purushapura. Answer: B. Sakala. Question 10. In whose coins was the wheel round? A. Menander, B. Demetrius, C. Kanishka, D. Nipana. Answer: A. Menander. Question 11. In whose reign did the visit of Saint Thomas take place? A. Muhuz, B. Gondophanes, C. Kanishka, D. Menander. Answer: B. Gondophanes. Question 12. One of them was not conquered by Kanyaka from China. Identify. A. Khotan, B. Yarkand, C. Kashgar, D. Kapasa. Answer: D. Kapasa. Question 13. In the Rigveda the term dasas and dasyas refers to A. Robbers, B. Tribals, C. Non-Ions, D. Menials. Answer: C. Non-Ions. Question 14. Two most important acts and rituals associated with the Vedic marriage system was A. Pani Grahana, B. Saptapadi, C. Both A and B. Above, D. Marriage vows. Answer: C. Both A and B. Above. Question 15. The most important craftsman in the Vedic period was the A. Blacksmith, B. Goldsmith, C. Carpenter, D. Barber. Answer: C. Carpenter. Question 16. The Ramas Vedic river, which had long ago become extinct and now supposed to be flowing underground in Rajasthan, is A. Sindhu, B. Sabastu, C. Shatudri, D. Saraswati. Answer: D. Saraswati. Question 17. The word Jina, from which the Jain-ism has originated, stands for A. Great, B. Detached, C. Non-violence, D. Conqueror of senses. Answer: D. Conqueror of senses. Question 18. The Sanskrit drama which triumphed over the Nanda is A. Mrichakatika, B. Mudrarakshasa, C. Devi Chandragupta, D. Prabodhchadrodaya. Answer: B. Mudrarakshasa. Question 19. The rulers of a dynasty of the Deccan who were supposed to be Brahmanas and staunch supporters of Brahmanism were A. Satavahanas, B. Vakatakas, C. Rashtrakutas, D. Chalukyas. Answer: A. Satavahanas. Question 20. The Sikh Guru executed by Aurangzeb after cruel torture was A. Har Rai, B. Har Krishan, C. Har Gobind, D. Tegh Bahadur. Answer D. Tegh Bahadur.